do. Let's get this roof off. See how I go. Need my hive tool, don't I? Let's get this top off. Oops. Oh, I just want to try and get this super off straight away. Be good if we could find the queen. Alright. Just going to go straight in to take this super off. Telling you now, it's so much easier to get a super off a poly hive. Let's get this super off now. It's probably going to be pretty heavy. If I find eggs, how's the drone on the outside of that? How's that drone got there? We don't want you back up in the super. Make sure the queen's not on this queen excluder. Just shake them off. And let's see. Can't see her. Be very careful here. She's not going to really be on the outside frames here, but you never know. Try and get this second one out. That might be the easiest one to get out this time. Hopefully I'll see some eggs, young larvae. Let's cross fingers. Try and get this frame out. Oh, no, that's coming out pretty easy. It looks like they've released the queen. Very careful here. I'm presuming the queen's marked. I didn't really check that, to be honest. There's no evidence of anything here in the way of eggs. Can't see anything there. What I like to do is shake them off. And then you can have a really good look. No, the bees don't like it. But we'll just rest this one up on the... Oh shit, there goes the fucking... I'm trying to rush. I'm really trying to rush. I need to get some smoke in here. Probably can't see the smoke, but... I think everything's a little bit damp. We've had so much rain, that even the stuff that's been undercover let's get this third frame out. Cross fingers, we see some. Very worried. Nothing. Oh, hang on. Oh, you little beauty. Haha, you fucking little beauty. Oh, yep, there's heaps. Heaps of larvae in there. And really young. So she is laying on both sides here. I can't see the queen. Lots of drones. I'm going to keep on going through and see if we can find the queen. Doesn't look as though she's on this frame. Come back in. We'll get the next one out. So we're going to have the queen cage in here. Which is actually stuck on the next frame. So I want to be very careful. Here we go. I want to hit that queen cage. Oh, we got capped. Oh. Oh, wow, that is such a good sight to see. Look at all the larvae. It's freaking everywhere. If we find a queen and it wasn't marked, it's possible that the actual original queen was still in there, but it was 30 days and there was nothing. And now all of a sudden, we've got capped brood on both sides. I'll bring it up here. So we've got the capped brood. Can't see the queen on this one. Capped brood, lots of larvae in there as well. I'll put this one in. Actually, before I put this one, no, actually, yeah, I'll put it in. We'll get that queen. We'll get that queen cage out. I don't want to drop it down there though. So that's what the queen came in, and that was full of candy. All the bees have eaten the candy, release that queen. There we go. I'll keep that. That might come in handy another day. I'll put that in my little caddy here. Might as well keep on going, see if we can find a queen, eh? I'd love to. But that's something I cannot guarantee. But the good thing is we've got lots of brood, lots of larvae, and it doesn't look like it's from a, wow, that frame that's got a lot of brood. So this isn't the pattern from a new queen. That's beautiful, fully. And I can see larvae all the way to the edges there, and there's probably going to be eggs. And that's the pattern you'll get. You'll get your brood, and then you'll get your older larvae all the way down to the smaller larvae to eggs. Haven't seen the queen yet. I'd love to see the new queen. So this brood wouldn't be ready to emerge yet because we're only 7 days into introducing, maybe 8 days, I can't remember. But definitely laying extremely well. Beautiful pattern too. I can see larvae all the way up to the edges here. Oh, is that her? Nope. Is that her? No. Slowly. Oh god, that's scary. Finger stuck. Let's get this next one. Should have taken 2 frames out, giving me more room. Drone coming home. Oh, they're starting to... I think they're starting to make a little bit more noise. Let's have a look at this frame. And just a small amount of capped brood, lots of pollen, because they were bringing in a lot of resources for a long time, so they were filling it up and it wasn't getting used enough. There's a lot of honey there. I don't think we're going to find the queen. I don't think we're going to... Let me check this next one. I can see lots of drones in there. Oh, drop me hive kill. The drone there. Might just check this one more, and then I'm happy with what I'm seeing here. Even to the point now, if we lose a queen, we know they've got the resources to, that is heavy with honey. That's pretty much all honey in there. So let's put this away. We'll close it up. Oh God. Let's get some smoke. I can hear them starting to not getting much smoke out of my smoker. All I want to do now is close this up because I'm happy with the amount of brood that it's in there. Next inspection, I think I'll do some maintenance because I'm going to clean all this propolis and wax off here. There's even... Yeah, I'm going to get this off here. There's some hive beetles in there and some other stuff. Let's put the one in I dropped. They've actually still got the old queen cells that were in there that they haven't cleaned up. Not much in here in the way of resources. There's a little bit of pollen, a little bit of honey on the tops there, but apart from that, that's it. They'll start filling this out really quickly now. Now we've got a queen in here laying and doing really well. Alright, let's get everything back on. I'm happy with that. Don't want it to run. Oh, it keeps on sticking to me. Can't get the thing on. Never had a problem like that before. I've got it around the wrong way, that's why. It's upside down, but I did that deliberately because otherwise it goes up and then you put this on, you kill a heap of bees. Anyway, let's get this back on before the bees get back up on top of that queen excluder. Try and get it on as straight as possible. That looks pretty good to me. Let's get this roof on. There we have it. We're done. Successful queen introduction. Introduction. That's the word I'm after. Hopefully it's the one I purchased. That would be good. Otherwise it was a waste of $80. But we know there's a queen in there. I'm pretty sure it's the purchase queen because I think if there was the queen, the original queen still in there, I don't think she would have been laying that many eggs by now. Like we had one frame that was. Look at this. This is what they do when they get pissed off. See him? Get away from me. Anyway, I'm happy with that. It's successful. Let's leave that now for another week. We'll come back and have another look at it with the poly hive, which is doing really well. In fact, let's go have a walk over to the poly hive. The video might look a bit bumpy and whatnot because I'm doing it on my phone. But let's go have a look. Let's go have a look at this poly hive. When it comes to maintaining the poly hive, they're just so much easier to crack open than your wooden hives. Oh, it looks like we got an orientation flight at about 4 p.m. Look at them all. It's always a good sign. Have a look at that. So that's an orientation flight. You can see them sort of doing little figure of eights in front of the hive, and then they go a little bit higher and suss out the surroundings. But this hive's thriving. This is already capped brood in that top brood box, which hasn't been on for very long. That's awesome. Love the sound. Anyway, I'm really happy about the results for today. It's always a bit worrying. If there was no queen, I was in deep shit. I would have had to have purchased another one, and again, they need to accept it. But all good. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.